Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about rounding numbers. In this video, we're going to learn how to round nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Let's get started. Look at the number 42. The tens place digit is 4. They're asking us to round up to nearest 10. First, you need to know the rule. If we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, there will be no change in the numbers. But if there is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, there will be change in the number. So now you think about what they are talking about, where they want us to change or no change. So when you rounding to nearest 10, you first put the small line that where is the change is required. So the tens place digit is 4. Look at the previous number. It is a ones place number is 2. So as our rule says, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no change. That means they are asking us to look at the previous number. If the previous number has 1, 2, 3 or 4, there is no change. If the previous number has 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 digit, then there is a change. So in this particular example, 42, we look at the previous number, which is the ones place number is 2, so there will be no change. So nearest change will be 40. We can also explain that through the number line. So this is the number line. When we talk about nearest 10, we talk about 40 and 50, only the tens, and in mid is 45. First, put where the 42 stands in this number line. Here, I'm assuming this is 42. So which is the nearest 10? 40. So 40 is the nearest 10. So when we round up to near 42 to nearest 10, it will be 40. Let's do another example. Look at the number 57. Ones place digit is 7. Tens place digit is 5. So I am putting a small line to indicate where they are asking us to change or no change. Look at the previous number 7. As I told you before, if we say 1, 2, 3 and 4, there will be no change. And if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there will be change. So when they are asking to nearest 10, you look at the previous digit, which is a ones place digit, which is 7. 7 means change. So 57 nearest 10 will be 60. Let's do the number line. This is the number line. When we do the nearest tens, be 50 here, 60 here, in between 55. We assume 57 will be here. So nearest 10 will be 60. So now it is present in the number line way also. Let's do the next part of the video. Now we are going to round to nearest 100. Let's take the number 456. The rule will be same. 1, 2, 3, 4, no change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be change. First, let's find out where they're asking to change or no change. Ones place digit is 6, tens place digit is 5, hundreds place digit is 4. So I put a small line here. We always look at the previous number. So here the tens place digit is 5. So there will be change. And where the change will take place? The change will take place in the hundredth place. So 456 become 500. Let's explain with a number line. This is my number line. We are to only hundreds. So this is 400. This is 500. In between 450. So 456 might stay here somewhere. 456. And which is the nearest 100? 500. So 456 become 500. Let's take another example. 725. First, let's figure out what is the 100th place digit. 7. Look at the previous digit, which is the 10th place digit. 2. 2 means there is no change. So 725, the nearest 100 will be 700. Let's do with the number line. This is the number line. We talk about nearest hundreds. So this is 700, 800, in between 750, 725 will be here somewhere. So what do we say? Nearest 100 will be 700. Let's go to the next example, which is rounding to nearest thousands. Before starting, let's write the rules again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, no change. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, change. Let's talk about a number. 5,670. So we are rounding nearest thousand. So I put a small line. 100th place digit is 6 and 1000th place digit is 5. So when you're asking to nearest 1000, round up nearest 1000, you have to look at the previous digit. 6. 6 means a change. So 5,670, the nearest thousand will be 6,000. Let's do number line thousands. This is thousands number line. This is 5,000, 6,000, in between 5,000, 500. 5,670, which is the given number, will lie somewhere here. This is approximating the number line. So which is the nearest thousand? 6,000. So 5,670, nearest thousand will be 6,000. Let's take another example. 1,325. Step 1. First, figure out what is the thousands digit, which is 1. Look at the previous digit, which is the 100th place digit. 3. There will be no change. So the nearest thousand will be 1,000. Number line representation. We are talking about thousands. This is 1,000. This is 2,000. In between 1,500. 1,325 will be here somewhere. 1,325. So nearest thousand is 1,000. Let's review what we learned so far. I'm taking a number 8,252. When I am rounding to nearest 10, let's see what happens. Nearest 10. So First, figure out what is the tens place digit. 5. Look at the previous, which is the ones place digit, which is 2. 2 means no change. So 8252, the nearest 10 will be 8250. 8250. Now I'm rounding up to nearest 100. Step 1. Find out the hundreds place digit, which is 2. Look at the previous digit, which is a tens place digit, is 5. 5 means change. So 8252, nearest 100 will be 8300. Now let's put 8252 into nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. Step 1. Let's find out what is thousands place digit, which is 8. Look at the previous digit, which is a 100 place digit, is 2. 2 means no change. So 8252, the nearest 1000 will be 8000. That's all from this video. Hope this video is useful. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.